Good morning. Yeah, so woke up around 7. I was just doing dishes. May was cleaning up because there's quite the mess. Yeah, she's
watching Miss Judy's life.
So I did. So I put lipstick first.
And pretending we're on a boat. I'm gonna get sick.
yeah, and they're also May was also doing
And I made the lip liner.
editing the vlog that I didn't do, even though I said I was going to do. Just didn't have the time. I was hanging out with a buddy the whole day. So, and then landlord came, dropped off the new washer, which is good. Only problem being, it is not installed. Yeah. So he's coming today. Hopefully comes early so I could do laundry. Yeah, I'm planning to do laundry. Planning to deep clean the couch. This is what I was doing also. Almost finished the dishes. But this is what I was really working on. Look at that. Can't wait. Yeah, my mom, the one that taught me, was trying to teach me when she was here in Toronto to make this. Hopefully I could do it some justice. Hopefully it tastes good. Yeah, I'm gonna have to throw it in to the oven very soon. It's gonna take about an hour or so to cook. Yeah, so looks like it's already getting cooked. Because of the soy sauce that I put in there. But yeah, so all I did was garlic powder, some gourmet honey garlic, Diana sauce, soy sauce, barbecue sauce, and garlic powder. Yeah, that's it. Garlic powder. I don't know if you can see that. Garlic powder, Diana sauce, like you guys saw already, and just any soy sauce, but I use this one. It's cheap and there's good quality, that's why I use it, but it's really good, still good. Yeah. So I'll talk to you guys later. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Hopefully it tastes better than what it looks like if it's bad looking, or I hope it just tastes good.
See you later.
Say bye-bye.
Bye. Say bye.
Okay, well.
She's distracted.
Well, yeah, May's gonna go hang out with her sisters today, well, hopefully.
Yeah, since I won't see her for like 2 months, so might as well.
Yeah. So, they're gonna hang out. Yeah, I'll just talk to you guys later. Hopefully all goes well. Ready? Yay! Good job, buddy. I don't use this guy, but it's fine. Yay! No, it's done now, baby. Yeah. Now we're going to play. Time to play Overwatch. See, because of barbecue sauce that I put on top. Here. Hopefully it turns out better than it looks. Or hopefully it's cooked. Alright. So I think I added a little too much barbecue sauce, as you can tell. Just burnt there. But I think it's just because where I placed it as well. But other than that, it looks delicious. Hopefully, like I said, it looks better. It looks not as great as I thought it would be.
Why does the sauce look burnt on it? It looks like a croissant.
Oh, it's barbecue.
Oh.
Barbecue sauce. Or the Diana sauce. So
I think maybe you're supposed to put like a foil on top or something so it's more steamed.
yeah. See, I knew I forgot something. I knew it. Well, hopefully it's cooked. If not, then I will have
I'm
to
sure
put one.
it's cooked. It's just maybe you just put a foil on top next time. That's all.
Yeah.
Well, that's how you learn.
Make mistakes.
You make mistakes.
But my mistakes is never good.
It's okay. I'm sure your mom's still proud of you for trying.
Hot. It's delicious. Just so hot. So, like I said, it does taste a lot better than it looks. I just gotta put it on a nice plate. Oh, that's delicious.
And then you're gonna cook asparagus.
Asparagus.
And I'm gonna make the Italian salad. And this one is just gonna be. Yeah? So this is his setup. Here's his bed. It's like his own mini TV.
You wanna go under? You're going so slow and perfect. Yeah, you still go. Yeah, I'll go down after. You have to move, my man, move. Move. You're making it so much harder. Ready? You jumping jacks? Jumping jacks? Ready? Like this? Ready? That's probably not stable. Yeah, so I've decided that I'm gonna work out at home so I don't get to what do you call it? So tired. Before I started filming, I was working out for like at least 10 minutes. But yeah, so I wanted to work out at home so I don't have to rely on working out at a gym. So yeah, hopefully I can get a little bit more fit, or at least healthy. I don't really care about looking good, just healthy. Well, at the same time I do want to look good, I'm not gonna lie. Alright. Hopefully I can play ball today. I'm gonna bring my son. I'm gonna shoot some hoops with my buddies. 5 to 6. Hopefully, just hopefully, I can actually shoot around for a bit, you know what I mean? Like, I miss playing basketball. Like, I used to be really, really fit. I'll show you guys a video, hopefully. It's a lot more thinner, more fit. I used to go biking for hours. More jumping jacks. I'd be biking for hours, then I would work out, then I'll go biking again, and then I'll go play basketball. Yeah, it was just endless cycle, and I honestly thought I was so overweight. I would do that. I did it for 3 months straight because I knew I was going on a cruise, and on a cruise everyone's like beach body and all that, you know. Like, I just got into my head that like I'm such a fat guy, gonna lose the weight. Before I was 180, and I pushed myself down to 150. I'm at 200, and I want to go back to 150, 140, because honestly, every time I put on some clothes, I'm telling myself, damn, I let myself go. So now, May is working out at the gym. The only way we can work out, I guess, me and May together, in a way, is if our son's not with us. But to make it easier on her to work out straight, and I to work out straight, is if we stay 2 separate places. She works out at the workout room, I work out up here in our place, while he gets himself entertained, right? Alright, running on the spot. Yeah. So, this is somewhat first day workout. Not really. Last time we worked out last week, and yeah, so just trying to get fit much better, just for our son, you know? His, hey, I'm unhealthy, she's probably unhealthy, me is, what I'm saying is unhealthy, so we're just trying to get to ourselves in a better spot. Yeah, okay, here we go. While I was working out, I was boiling some asparagus. So apparently you need to put it in boiling salt water. Also like hot water with you add salt to it. It's delicious. It only takes about 5 to 7 minutes of boiling to get that tender, so it's good. I boiled it a little bit more though than 7 minutes, maybe about 10 minutes, just so my son can like chew on it and not choke on it. So yeah, we're gonna partner up with these and with this. So the reason why it looks really moist there is because what I did was I added the sauce that was on the baking pan onto the chicken. So it's pretty much like chicken oil that came out while I was cooking, plus with the garlic powder, soy sauce, a little bit of water, and yeah, I didn't add lemon. I know I should have, I just realized it right now, this instant, so
So I'm, when am I first? Because you're the celebrant. So I'm here with my sisters. We actually haven't hung out like this ever since I moved out. So For good reason. Just kidding.
Because she's an adult. She's adult.
And yeah, we're at Pickle Barrel. We're deciding what to eat. What to eat? Then you see the bar. Yeah, we're looking at the bar and the desserts, and you know that we want Asian nachos, but I have no idea what else to get.
Back together.
So this is our food. Yum, yum, yum.
Say yummers. I hate when you say yummers.
Yummers. Kisses me on. They're done.
Yeah, so Elaine's parents took them this morning, or yeah, this morning, just to hang out. Cause yeah, for me, just doing a heck load of laundry. Like, I'm not gonna show you like our actual stuff, but like, so it comes with this, right? Like, this is where we organize our stuff. We got it from Walmart. Like, this is brand new, and look how heavy it got. It came to the point where it actually ripped the bag, and like the clothes were up to here. There was like a mountain. I feel like this is where the door is. It was up to here, like up to here, and look, that's where it was. And like it was a mountain. I started this last night around like 12. I've been doing laundry ever since. Just made some steaks. On top of this stuff, nothing too fancy, just because I don't know how to make it.
And I just got back from work, so I'm super excited.
And she just made some sweet salad.
And then I'm gonna have lemon water.
And she's gonna have some lemon water, a lemonade. Yeah, that's a lot of berries. I'm making rice for myself. So yeah, just waiting for the rice to be done so I can throw my freaking steak down and eat it, because I'm hungry. Last time I ate, I would say it was 6 in the morning, and I only had like I don't know if you guys know what this is. It's usually in like Asian markets. It's sausage in a bun, or hot dog in a bun, or whatever you call it. Yeah, it's just a small little piece. It's about like knee big, and yeah, only had one of those, and I just kept on drinking water and orange juice throughout the whole day. So now I'm just like, my body's like, come on, dog, where the food at? So I'm starving. My mouth is drooling from looking at the steak. And yeah, I've just been doing laundry like I said before, and May just came from work like she just said. Buddy of mine might come over today. Well, he said he was going to, but he might not be able to come. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Show you guys what we've been doing so far. Peace.